Mandiandar Yuri Alemao.
Speaker, sir, fear and anxiety due to air quality index in major towns, namely Panji, Porvorim, Murmugao, Bambolim, reporting unhealthy levels in the first week of January 2026. The levels of AQI were in the range of 163 to 178 in these 4 towns. Though the trend in the current week shows improvement, the AQI levels still continue to be poor or moderate as the index is in the range of 100 and above. This has put the people to health risks like respiratory, heart disease and premature deaths. The rising pollution levels have led a public perception of unchecked urbanization, traffic congestion, construction activity and pollution-intensive projects. These are pushing Goa towards conditions similar to highly polluted cities. This raised concerns that the environmental mistakes witnessed elsewhere are now being repeated in Goa, and there is no adequate safeguards to prevent this action. This is not panic, this is an early warning. Goa has traditionally enjoyed clean air, especially after the monsoon. AQI crossing 100 in Panjim and Porvorim after monsoon is not normal for Goa. This is not Delhi yet, but Delhi also did not become Delhi overnight. Pollution grows slowly, silently and then suddenly becomes uncontrollable. Speaker sir, मुख्यमंत्री हेजेर तुवें चोयचें हें जें पोल्युशन जाता आमच्या कोंकणच्या भागांतूय जे पट पोल्युशनाचें तुवें आश्वासन दिलें ऑक्टोबरा जी अजून कांयच ना हेजेर हांव उलयतलो गव्हर्नर एड्रेसान कांयच ना बीस ते नोटीड म्हण आसा कितें तरी सारकें चोय नोटीड म्हणटा तूं बसत आनी मागीर कांय जायना मातशें हेजेर चोय सारकें आनी ते कोंकणचें हांव चोय मुखार काडपाक
ठीक आहे सर एअर क्वालिटी इंडेक्स आम्ही मॉनिटर करता आणि त्याचेर कंट्रोल करपा खातीर आमच्या एनवायरमेंट डिपार्टमेंट विथ द पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड आम्ही जायती प्रिकॉशन्स घेवपा खातीर